Good morning, students. Hope you are all fine. Today, our topic is phrases. What are phrases? A phrase is a group of related words within a sentence. A phrase does not have a subject, predicate, or both. A phrase may have a meaning but does not express a complete thought. For example, a tall girl. A tall girl is a phrase here. It has a meaning, but it does not give a complete thought or it's not a complete sentence. We need to add some more words to it to make it a complete sentence. Here we are using the words I saw to make it a complete sentence. I saw a tall girl. So, I saw a tall girl is a complete sentence, but the phrase here is a tall girl. A few more examples of phrases are on the table. On the table is a phrase, but we do not know what is on the table, which table we are talking about. Okay? Under the table is a phrase, but we don't know what is under the table. Full of roses. We don't know what is full of roses. We know that something is full of roses, but what exactly is full of roses, we don't know. A phrase depends on the other words to make it a meaningful sentence. Okay? The phrase can be found at the beginning, middle, or end of a sentence. A phrase may not contain a subject or a verb or both of them. Thus, a phrase may have a meaning, as I already said, but it does not convey a complete thought. For example, here are some more examples. Big and small shells. We know something is there, big and small shells, but this is an incomplete. So this is a phrase. It is having some meaning, but it's not complete. So we need some more words to make it a complete sentence. And the sentence is, big and small shells were scattered here and there on the beach. I already told you that on the table is a phrase when we will add more words to it, like I will use the book is on the table. I'm using the words the book is. Then I'm putting the phrase part on the table. So it's a complete sentence now. The book is on the table. A phrase does not have a capital letter. A phrase does not have a capital letter. A phrase does not have a sign of punctuation. It does not have a sign of punctuation. Okay? A sentence may contain more than one phrase. There can be more than one phrase in one sentence. And the phrase can be on the beginning of a sentence, in the middle of a sentence, and at the end of a sentence. It can be anywhere in the sentence. And there can be more phrases in one sentence. In a particular sentence, there can be more than one phrase. Like here, a tall girl was standing near me. This is a complete sentence. A tall girl was standing near me. But if we will see it, it is having three phrases. A tall girl, it is a one phrase. Was standing, it is another phrase. And the near me is the third phrase. So, as I already told you, that a sentence may contain more than one phrase. And phrase can be anywhere in the sentence, in the beginning, in the middle, or end of a sentences. I will use one more example here, that is, she was standing near my house. Here, near my home or house is a phrase. She was standing is making it a complete sentence, giving meaning to it. Okay, or very friendly. Very friendly. Who was very friendly? What very friendly we are talking about, we don't know. So very friendly is a phrase. When we will make it a complete sentence so that we can understand it, so that it will give a perfect meaning, I will use her sister is very friendly. So we are talking about someone's sister who is very friendly. Now this is a complete sentence and it is giving a complete thought about something. So now you got it, what are phrases? Phrases may have a meaning but does not express a complete thought, and they are group of related words within a sentence. So this was all about phrases. Thank you so much.